So we're heading into summer, and a lot of neighbors are wondering what's going on with the real estate market right here in Berewick. So we're going to touch on just that. In this video, we are going to provide you stats with what went on last month in this community, as well as go in depth to determine if it is a good time to buy or sell right here in our Berewick community. Let's look at the numbers and go from there. But before we do, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Sir Ashley, your local real estate advisor, and I'm not only your advisor, I'm also your neighbor. So if you want to buy or sell in the Berewick area, please reach out to me and my team. Now let's jump into the numbers. Last month, there were 11 home sales in Berewick, and that's only one more home from this time last year, which I have to tell you is quite shocking because last year, this time, no one was buying or selling a home, and the real estate industry, us agents, were on lockdown and couldn't show properties. So the numbers for the amount of home sales last month is a bit discouraging. The highest sales price was $435,000, and the lowest sale price for last month was $312,000. Quickly, let's talk about the highest sale price ever. It was originally listed at $415,000, and it was a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just under 3,300 square feet, but due to the timing and lack of inventory, they had multiple offers and the property went under contract within a day, one day, and ended up selling for $20,000 above the listing price. Moving on. The average days on market right now is 2. Yes, it is 2 days. That's a 100% increase from March 2021. And the average price per square foot was just around $145 per square foot. There's currently one home that is active on the market, and there's 10 homes under contract that should sell within June or July. All right, now that I told you what happened in the past, let me tell you what I foresee happening in the Charlotte area generally and how it could impact us right here in Berewick. Home values are increasing and sale prices are going up, and that's going to continue to happen. But to both of you buyers and sellers out there, throughout Charlotte, sales are slowing down as the price increases, which is to be expected because the higher price the home, the less amount of qualified buyers there are to be able to afford that higher price. Also, interest rates have recently increased to around 3.2%, and mortgage applications for buying a new home have decreased in the past month. So what does that mean for you buyers and sellers? For you buyers, that means more inventory will be hitting the market. And yes, inventory will be increasing, but it will still be a seller's market. However, you will have a little bit more time to decide whether or not you want that property. Say a couple days as opposed to having to make a decision that day you go see the property. Because I'm sure if you're buying out there, if you've been looking for any amount of time, you know that properties have been going at record pace. But right now, properties over about 375 and up, you're getting a little bit more days on market. So you sellers, please know that the higher you price your property, the less amount of buyers you're going to get. So also be cognizant of that fact when your property is on the market, because it's going to stay on the market a little longer because there are fewer buyers applying for new mortgage applications. Now, just because your property is sitting on the market for a week or two, please don't freak out or get overly concerned. It's just the ebbs and flows with the market. Be sure to check out some of my other videos about Charlotte, real estate, and money. I hope this helps you moving forward. Again, I'm Sir Ashley, your Berewick neighbor and real estate advisor. Talk soon.